Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can switch between your presets on the HyperX Cloud Flight S. So in each presets you can find the settings for all audio and the buttons that you set up. So take a look. Currently when you tap on the right upper corner you can find the presets, and currently it's set up for the preset 1. So when I switch the preset 2, as you can see, the audio optimize is turned off. When I go to the bass settings, it's back. But let's for example turn on the surround sound, let's turn off the mic monitoring, and let's switch to the preset 2. You can also add additional presets by tapping right here. You can set the custom name, click enter to confirm. You can also change image of this preset and click done to confirm. As you can see, that's another preset. We can also open some details. So yeah, that's the way to name your preset. Change image another time. I'll link any games. If you want to delete any of the presets, just click on this button on the right bottom corner and click delete. And you can do this with any preset that you create on this application. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.